leave the bad memories behind and have faith in a better tomorrow. Yes, for your well-being, you need to forget the bad memories of past.
কি করছো? কথা বলে না, কাজ করছি মেবি।
Yes, he was very busy on that day, but I was not feeling well, and I asked him to take me to the countryside because there is something in the mountains that can heal my heart.
পাহাড়ের মাথা পর্যন্ত যাওয়া অনেক কঠিন কাজ যদিও। একজন ট্রাভেলার আমার সাথে আছে, এমনিতে হাঁটতে কষ্ট হয় কিন্তু ট্রাক তাকে করতেই হবে।
The reality is that life is too short to be unhappy. Just enjoy the present moment. In this life, I hate hatred. I'm more addicted to love. And one like me, who is satisfied with little things, can touch the happiness in any aspects of life. So, stay positive, stay blessed.